So let's just jump into it. How do you get by on not that much money? This is not just for musicians. This is for anyone who's poor or just wants to go to a new place and you're not sure if you have enough money to be able to do it. Still live beyond your means, right? So for example, I'm a musician. I make about, it depends on what region I'm at, but I make like 50 to 100 bucks a show usually as a guarantee, as a bar band for a 2-hour or 3-hour show. And that sucks ass, right? But I'm grateful for being able to make at least that. A lot of musicians I know don't make fuck all because they're, for whatever reason. So we'll break it down. What do you need? What do you need most? You need somewhere to live. You need food. You need to be able to physically get to the gig. You need to be able to maintain your instrument. Your guitar, not your instrument only. That's about it, really. You just take it down to the bare essentials. So for a house, a lot of people are like, oh, well, cost X amount of dollars to go and get a really nice place, really near town, do all that fucking shit. Well, maybe just instead of getting the really nice place, how about you just get a shitty place, somewhere that you can just sleep, that you can get by. Like, look at my place. My place is actually pretty decent. I pay like 200 bucks for this whole thing. So got one of my guitars there, I got my bed, got this awesome couch, got a full place to set up and rehearse and all this shit. I'm actually in a 5-story home and I have the entire floor to myself, 250 bucks. I live with my drummer and his family. And they live below and they have an awesome crepe business and stuff. So part of all this is the hustle. Find somewhere to live where you don't have to pay that much, but you can get everything you need in this place. So in this place I have a rehearsal room, a kitchen, the shower, my bed, takes care of all that stuff. To the kitchen, the most important thing, I think, one of the biggest money-saving things is just don't go out and eat at restaurants all the fucking time. I love to eat at restaurants. I consider myself a foodie. I'm a restaurateur, if that's really a word. Not a hipster by any means. Don't let the goatee fool you. I love restaurants. I love eating at nice restaurants. I like eating at shitty restaurants. I like critiquing all the food like I know fuck all, but I don't. It's fantastic. But it's a lot cheaper to just buy some essential shit. Buy a big bag of rice. Buy a big bag of potatoes. Buy a bunch of pasta. Buy produce. Fresh produce. I'm in Bangkok right now. Produce is cheap as fuck. You can stock your fridge with vegetables and fruit and all that healthy good shit. And once in a while, get some meat. Freeze the meat. Just take a little bit out when you need to and throw it in. I'll make another video about that, about what I eat and stuff. But, bare essential shit, right? For your instrument, yeah, you need to fucking put, I'm a guitar player, so I put strings on it. That's like what? $6 for a pack of strings. I put on a new pack of strings when a string breaks. Given I like to change them every 3 shows or so, otherwise I snap them. But I'm okay with snapping them and just looking cool and taking out the pack and stringing it up on stage if I need to. If it's a bar show, if it's like a big festival show, or we're doing something huge, then yeah, or some recording, then I'll change them the night before that and have a far less of a chance of them fucking breaking. So maintain that shit, right? Transportation. Do you need a car? Do you know anyone with a car? Maybe just pay that guy for gas if you need a ride somewhere, if it's imperative to do so. If not, public transit, dude. That's good shit. Public transit works. You want to take a taxi? Don't. It's going to cost a lot of money. You want to take a private bike? Don't. It's going to cost a lot of money, unless you're in like Vietnam or something. Public transit, dude. Take a bus. You'll get there. It'll cost very little. That's the way to do it. If you want to live this huge baller lifestyle, you have champagne taste and a beer budget, then it's not going to go very well for you if you go and try to do those things. So just cut everything you don't need. And with what you do need, make sure that you pay the minimum amount for everything. And then you can get by. I've been on the road for about 5 years now. I've been fine. I haven't lost any money. I've been gaining money actually slowly throughout this whole thing, which is a cool thing. So, yeah, I think that's it for this video. Hope that helps.